Sir. Sir. Oh, ma.
Yeah, was in a one. My boy, my once is almost 4 days. I had the Omaim no sunu. Yati, Utana Bani Guegua. Omaim no sunu, Makidu Defini Magina, Yakamaos in a. It's a tia, oh, but Imagua, Gua, when I was your Magua.
Not be juju, not be juju, be this so.
We have it.
I will roll by now. Susan best. I'm not fooling myself. I'm not fooling myself. If you think I'm fooling myself, so be it. You don't expect me to fight back. If I tell you this is how to live life and I don't practice it, I mean normal. Mommy Faith, don't be angry. I ain't a conji. I want not let it be now. Or my leho. I've not seen Frank in person, one-on-one. I've not seen him. I've not, I repeat, I've not in all my life, I've not seen him. One-on-one, I haven't seen him. You getting it? So, but it's okay. I know they pick any call again, wanna leave me for now. You guys can call me later. For now, I'm done with picking, of course. Titi thank you, yo sir. Who they call me? I'm not picking calls. Titi, they may call now. Hello? I don't pick on Alpha. Cause I make big baby. No, call. One here no. You must speak. I tell you, no one will. Other speaker then.
Okay. Mama, allow web we because then me na so me love web you understand me.
Yeah.
Because then the pass it cut you way. Maybe I realize. So I want to take me out joke. So when no is na you na me way. Me so think you do alare which me ba like really only. You understand me? Mama allow why when me be any na ya me na pepper believe.
I bet people wait go down me for this work. How na they do? This work not be easy task. Yeah, tell me later la ho. Oh, you can hear na there for jo. Ah, omo mani ko si e. Anybody wey belittle himself, God go raise you up. That's one thing I was always told by my mother. If you tell person say I am a nobody, helpers will come from any angle. I know people who really know me are really mad. Like, what love again and I. Yes, you might be angry, my sister. I understand. Just let it be. Normally, I won't take your. It all depends on how you want to do it. I hear you, Amaru away. Me, you pick the corner. I hear you, Amaru away. Are you getting it? So it's one of those things. Trust me. Are you getting it? So, if on the way you go for your leg, Jonah, soon, I don't care. Anything you do, anything where your mate tell you say do, you do. If it backfire, you not go regret it. You getting it? In as much as you're not being paid for it, you're not bribed for it, your conscience is not being bought. You do it like out of your heart, wholeheartedly. Nothing is like attached to it. Are you getting it? So that kind of thing, if anything happens, you will not regret it, and heaven will definitely wipe your tears. I'm not pleading to him like he shouldn't talk. Come on, I'm not married. I've never been married like black man like I do. My papa chop money for my head. I carry my family sit down, no. Or I born for one, I don't live speaking, no. No, I'm still single. I'm just single girl. I'm just a single person. And he drew a line of provocation yesterday due to his anger. He said if I wasn't biased in my apology, I should have apologized to this person, that person, or that person. Are you getting it? I only said I really don't know who Atiti might have offended, like one-on-one. In this race of social media, not until you are into it. Excuse me, guys. Hello, Domo. Okay. Not until you're into it, you really don't know how it goes. So, and the few that I deem it fit to tell, oh please, thank you, or I'm sorry, Atiti is sorry. Those were the people who called for my attention. Like, if you are pleading for a person like this is what he did to me. Are you getting it? I buried my pride and I swallowed my ego. I said, okay. So if you draw a kind of demarcation and say I am biased in my apology, no, I am not. Oh, come on, shut the door, please. I am not. I don't know who he might have offended. I don't know who he has not offended. Unless you show yourself like, yes, he has offended me. Okay, good and fine. He is sorry. And this race is you offend me, I offend you. You talk, I talk. Unu aze, unu awani. On the last time he came on the platform, he said, please, I am sorry to all women. So, I don't know why I decided to, some excluded themselves, some included themselves, some were saying, no, be me, Toto, some were saying, no, I need this, I need that. Even if without Atiti doing apology in the first place, for example, it is an eye-opener for everybody. Imagine people are saying, okay, till the day we go marry. Yes, I heard. Or till the day we go say, either born carry pikin enters. I heard. Isn't it good? Imagine all that we have done, our deeds, both the good and the bad ones. People are waiting for us or for our children for good. So as you find rich now Atiti be your crush. Atiti not be human being. Atiti not be human being. Atiti was once married with kids. Or if I get woman for us. Atiti not be human being. Obama aya koso no hiyama. Obama ya dole ni omaji. No perfect person. Amuba wa already made. Agwale sheshe get. Ayobo wo that way yeke. Awe when ale ton pa mu nia. Wa we ni ki agbon e. We ni ki agbon e la ni. Eh? I heard Frank said that you and Atiti don't have documents. He is right. He's right. I'm not calling yeah, he's right. So Atiti is a handsome man. I wish you were my sister. Thank you. What he make his first wife wrong? Not go pursue you too. I really don't know. It doesn't work for the first one. Does not mean it's not going to work for any other person. Power might change hands. Do you really love Atiti, or you are just using him to build your page for monetization? My sister was really this about page. Even if it takes a snail to crawl little by little, it definitely gets to its destination, isn't it? It does. So it must not be monetized for under 1 minute. Or I've been on it for months now. Are you getting it? Oh, they say can only monetize or monetize. Okay, if you think it's because of that, am I monetizing any page now? Am I monetizing? Am I monetizing, my darling people? Are they monetizing the daughter while we say, oh, that's gospel truth. No marry social media man, my sister, advice. Thank you. But a person from a okay, listen. If we are saying don't marry a social media person, I totally agree with you, my beloved. But where you say man for go marry? Where? Another person, family where you they go. My you say do what please. God bless you. Once I want be social media person, no he. I watch well. We wa akpa. We are wa akpa ware. When I want move vanish. When I want to we move. You are your own. This year not tell we make urere wa set on here. I man ire social media na owe. Obi ita wi je video na je video maybe one na ati ebono ma. Owe obomero we mero eri se o gware ele o. Oga atu no kwo no. O ko tiewe. My brother. Iyana. Owe o sister e o na je video. Ogo pa yan heri ya la o. Mero wa tie me o. Oka wa block you any. That's the pain. That is the pain. That's the pain of being more than a celebrity. What do they call we? What do they call us? Because I'm just a common person like you and I.